You know, I got this new muffler recently, and it's a colorful muffler which has pockets. A muffler which has pockets. Can you believe it? I love it. Hi everyone, this is Shrini.
This is Shreya.
Welcome to
Yappuccino.
Yappuccino.
Yappuccino is a place where we sit, have coffee, and talk about anything and everything that's on our minds and gossip a little bit.
Let's start our Yap sesh. I hope you enjoy the video.
Bye. How much did you shop this winter?
I didn't shop a lot. I got one jacket and I got one muffler.
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah,
Actually, dude, this is my first winter when I've not purchased anything. I didn't even buy one thing.
and I got one sweater, which is this one. I got three
That's
things.
pretty nice, basic. Generally, I
Yeah.
would like go and buy like one or two, three coats. I would buy like a couple of sweaters, but this time I didn't even buy one item in the winter. That is insane.
Did you get this jacket this year? Or
No,
was it last
this
year?
is like I got it in Feb.
Yeah.
I didn't even get it for winter.
Yeah.
So this is the first time, and I'm so proud of myself.
You know, I think the thing is that the key to being not like a shopaholic is just not having the money.
Yeah, because
I
I
mean-
know I'm gonna be broke, so I'm just
Yeah,
like.
like I don't buy clothes because I don't have enough money to
But to be
spend.
honest, now that's also because I have now built a very solid winter wardrobe. Like I've shopped a lot over the last 2-3 years.
Hmm.
Now I genuinely don't. I have like almost every. I have like if I talk about jacket, bomber jacket, denim jacket, coat, fur coat. I have everything. I don't really need anything.
And if you get good clothes, winter clothes, they last years because you don't wear them that often in
Yeah.
winters, and then you just keep them,
Yeah.
so they last very long.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's pretty
But
much.
what is one like what problems do you face when shopping? Are there any, or are you just like happy with
Yeah, no, obviously there are problems.
Hmm.
Firstly, now shopping has changed so much, online versus offline.
Yeah.
Like I
Dude, before we get into this, one thing I wanna say,
hmm,
I actually like offline shopping,
yeah,
but I prefer online shopping only because of one reason. Because whenever you go to like a store, if it's not like all these international retail chains don't have that,
yeah.
but one sales assistant will just follow you, and it is so annoying. It is, and I know that is doing the job, but it just like gets to me. I'm trying to like, and I know India, there's a lot of shoplifting and everything, which I get. They need to make sure. It's just, and that's the only reason because they're like, they're like, oh madam, ये आपके लिए बहुत छोटा है. I'm like, मैंने पूछा.
And the thing is, she has such obvious facial expressions. She will look so annoyed. Instantly, 2 seconds, she's like,
Like it's
Like,
I
it's
really
very
I-
obvious. And I'm
wanna
like,
shop in
please, thoda
peace.
tameez se, please don't be mad. He's just doing his job.
And dude, I love to like shop offline, and that's why like couple of these like international like Zara, like some of these Zara and all don't have that, so which is kind of okay. You go to them for help, but a lot of these brands have like a very annoying.
I
And
think
it
I
really
have
gets
the
me.
problem with shopping on offline for me is now that the returns and exchanges are so tricky.
Hmm.
Like online, I majorly shop because what if it's the wrong? Because sizing is so tricky.
But I don't think in offline you would need return as much because you're trying it on and buying it now.
oh.
Yeah,
I never
yeah,
thought of
like
that.
yeah.
Yeah, but like usually sometimes I remember H&M doesn't have all the sizes and all of that. There's a big hassle, I
Yeah,
feel.
yeah.
And a lot of people still do shop offline, so if you go on the weekend there's a big line.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
most people do, to be honest.
Yeah. So online I prefer because of ease of returns, and there's just this simple thing that you go on your phone, you open the app, you place an order and stuff.
Yeah.
But then there's also so much thinking because I'm not the kind of person who buys with an impulse. I will be the one person who looks at something for 3 months and then if I still like it, I'll buy it. Type
Me too,
thing.
me too, me too. I think
So-
I'm very impulsive when offline shopping. I'll just buy and it sometimes like,
Yeah,
offline
same.
offline feels so much more luxurious. Just like take my card,
Yeah, but I feel I usually shop offline from street.
I'm not counting that. I'm just saying street shopping though is a given. Like I do
Yeah.
that all the time. I'm just saying sometimes the mall just like just pack it up. Just like give it. You're just
Yeah.
more impulsive. You're like I'll buy it. And if it like I bought this like sort of face makeup like concealer foundation. It's
You told
something
me, yeah.
and it's like 2K. And if I was ordering from Nykaa, I would have thought about it for like 6 months. If do I want to spend 2K on like one product? And it's not even like a foundation. It's just like add on to a foundation which I
It's
don't need.
definitely easier to spend money
Yeah,
offline.
it's
Although
so
it
easy.
seems the idea of online is so
And if
convenient.
I was spending 2K on Nykaa, like online, I would get like 7 items for like the whole 6 months. So
Yeah.
definitely I spend more when I'm offline.
Like if I'm offline and I see a shirt for 500, I'll be like, oh, it looks pretty good. But if I see the same shirt online for 500, I'm like, ooh.
Because you know you
Too
can also
much.
test out the quality. All your questions are already answered about the quality. Offline, when there's this question that what if it's bad quality,
That's
what the
true.
size is not right.
Yeah.
So you have like a lot of basic checks done.
But the sizing also is such a problem in women's
Yeah,
clothing,
yeah,
right?
it is,
I
it
don't
is.
know that much about men's clothing, but
Hmm.
women's may all brands.
have different sizing, yeah.
And ऊपर से this H&M and Zara, what they've done is they don't put standard sizes anymore. They don't put 32 waist. They put 46, 48 or whatever. And
yeah, it's very confusing.
it's so confusing as a
you have to
user.
go and convert and check the centimeter, inch, or whatever.
Yeah, and it becomes a task, and it's not like all brands are the same.
Hmm.
Like I literally have a jeans which I fit 32. I have one which is 30,
Hmm.
and then I have one which is 36 also at a point.
Yeah.
So what is my size? It's so
Yeah.
confusing
Oh,
to
that's
shop.
very cool.
If you are sticking to one brand, then it's okay, fair.
That's very rare.
It's very rare,
Yeah.
yeah.
How do you do that?
So that's one thing which I find very annoying.
Hmm.
I think one of the other common things in women's clothing is definitely the pockets, which I started with.
Yeah.
My muffler has pockets, and I'm so happy.
Yeah, pockets, I mean, are
Yeah.
just almost non-existent, especially in jeans and all.
Yeah.
And God forbid you're wearing like a skin tight skinny jeans, just you have to
And if
carry.
you're this size, ka phone can't fit into it. Oh, look
Yeah.
at the cat. If you're this size, ka phone cannot fit in your pocket, then there's the pocket is useless.
So, you know, I was reading this thing about, you know, initially women would not have pocket because handbags are such a big business. Like if, for example, a brand is making jeans and bags more, if women are able to carry everything in their pockets, who the hell is going to buy
Buy
their
the
bags?
bags. Yeah.
So, I mean, that's a very big
But
possible
why don't
reason.
they do that for men? They can do the same for men, right?
But in the men, there's no culture, right? Men won't carry a handbag. It's become very anti.
now it has, yeah.
It was always. You remember that Rachel and Joey, the Friends episode?
Ah,
Like
okay.
men carrying bags have
Yeah.
always been like a thing, and most men will only carry like a backpack and bag, or
now
maybe
it's
like
becoming
a
a little tote bag also. The
That's
Gen Z
only
people.
a very specific kind of
yeah, outfit
like, you know,
and
yeah.
the thing.
Yeah, but it's like a normal man does not carry a bag, and like it's just like they are very anti. It's like considered girly or whatever, which is whatever. They'll just
Yeah.
carry like a backpack. So I think it's very difficult to change that culture. But women obviously are like, you know, they are into handbags. And they
That's
need to
true.
carry, and I cannot live without my handbag.
Ah,
I mean, I'm not
same.
like a better person. I will freak out if I don't have my bag. It's like my security.
The men are also so low effort, low maintenance. They don't
And they
need to
give
carry
us their shit.
Yeah, and they don't need to carry. You firstly, you are not carrying sanitizer, and then you're asking me for the sanitizer.
Yeah.
Carry yours.
Yeah.
Khud. Don't ask me.
Yeah.
And they don't have anything to carry. Like we have so much stuff. We have hand cream, we have chewing gum, we have clutcher, we have everything. Like literally
I have
everything.
a medicine to
yeah,
Band-Aid.
I have a medicine.
Yeah.
Same. So,
But yeah, I mean, like
Backpacks
bags are
are-
big business, and
or maybe they've
Com-
just convinced us that we need to carry everything. But
yeah, because I feel that I don't know. I just want to be prepared for everything. But what's in my bag is like a big one.
yeah,
But the end result is that women don't have proper pockets.
that's
And
true.
it's such a big deal when a brand will actually make pockets properly for you, or when like those suits or some brands will try to do, which is like a great effort.
I got this new jeans Levi's. Oh, actually, I shopped for 4 items this winter. Actually, the jeans.
But jeans is not a winter item. It's
Yeah,
a
true.
general item.
And this is the only jeans which can fit my whole phone. So
Ah.
I like that about this. In fact, I've seen a lot of girls sometimes they shop from the men's section because they have pockets. Although I've never done that.
I've also never
A
done
few
that.
of my friends do. They were like, I found this jeans in the men's section. It fits. It gives a street.
Dude, that's a
fit.
great idea. I never thought of doing that. I literally never thought of doing
Yeah.
that.
It gives more street wear, boyfriend jeans vibe, baggy jeans.
Yeah.
And they have bigger pockets as well. So a lot of people do that.
Oh shit.
A lot of times girls shop from men's section pretty often actually.
I mean, I buy a lot of like shirts, like those
Yeah.
formal shirts, and a couple of
But
other
it's never
things.
the other way around.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. But yeah, shopping from the men's section can be a thing. We've never tried it.
But that
we
should not
can.
be the solution.
That should not be the
My
solution.
god. I don't want to buy ugly basic items just so I can fit stuff.
Yeah. Also,
Oh my God.
men's section is generally so uncreative. I feel there's no color. In fact, even H&M now is shitty in terms of women's fashion. I think there is no pop of color. There is it's all black, white, neutrals, and okay, I get that they're classic items, but then I don't know, they don't vibe that much. And if it's actually printed and colorful, it's so trendy that you think thrice before buying ki, do you need that trendy of an item? And how trends are also such a big deal in women's fashion. You know, there's this clock clip nowadays coming, which is this squishy clock clip, so that you put it, and once you sit in a car, if you're in a crash or something, it won't go through your head. So that's one new thing, and it's so trending. I've seen so many brands doing it.
And I have so many types of clock clips based on the trends.
Flower clock clip, H&M is
Yeah.
selling it for 700. You know.
What?
Yeah.
I got it for 30 rupees.
699 they're selling it for.
That is insane.
So they're selling a prettier color. I can say that it's like a cherry coke color, but
My
699 for a
God.
clock clip.
Dude,
is
I
too
got
much.
mine for 30 rupees at Sarojini. That
Yeah.
was great. I got mine for like 50 rupees from Thailand.
Yeah.
Sorry, Vietnam. And that also was the same. So I don't know what they're selling.
Yeah. So they're definitely, you know, capitalizing on the trends a lot.
I mean, that's what they are doing, right? I mean, trends
It
are
is fast
everywhere.
fashion
yeah.
eventually. So fast fashion
yeah.
purpose is the same thing.
And fast fashion equals bad quality. I think we all know that. I mean, like, it's just real. I mean, the quality of
I
clothes
feel
in general
H&M
has gone like really bad.
H&M used to have great quality like 10 years ago, I think.
Yeah.
I have a few
No, it's
tops.
not even about India. Like the H&M outside. So there's this fact. It's a fact. It's not
Oh.
like an opinion. H&M abroad, or maybe any fast fashion brand abroad, or not even fashion. Like most of these brands, like who
Yeah.
are not even selling. Maybe they're selling a bottle or something. They have cheaper quality in India because India is a price sensitive market.
In
so they
fact,
have to reduce
yeah.
their pricing and then they sort of degrade the product.
I've seen that with L'Oreal or some other some brand who have a very famous serum or something, and the ingredients in India and the US are
Yeah,
different.
it's a very common
In fact, this
practice.
Lotus Biscoff, which has come, it's in trend, and they are like it's different in India because
Yeah.
they have definitely cheapened the quality of ingredients and everything.
No, it's and that's why imported chocolates taste so different and so good.
We
That's
got
why
two
things that we
truffles that
buy,
day.
yeah, that's why whatever we buy, like we have so many clothes that we brought, that we didn't buy in India, and they still like work.
Yeah.
And anything that I've brought here,
I am not kidding you. I have one top from 7th standard.
yeah, I also have a couple.
And
of
I was
things.
7th, I was probably 13, and I'm almost 25 now.
Yeah.
It's 12 years. I have a
I
top
have
of
a top
12
from
years.
7th standard that I got, and I have a couple of things from that time, and I'm still wearing them. That's insane. The quality abroad is insane. Like India just does not have that,
True.
and that is still a economical, like a larger scale thing. But in general, the quality of clothes across the globe is going down. That is because of fast fashion, mass production, and everything. The
Yeah.
clothes were just so much well made and better made, like even 10 years back. Or
Yeah.
especially if you go even further, even better. But I think quality is definitely, I think, the biggest problem. That's why we need to buy more often. And we just
Yeah.
need to
Yeah,
spend
we
more.
need to revamp our wardrobe every 2-3 years now. Why?
A lot of it is because we want to feel like we want to be in trend, but a lot of it is just because
The clothes are not
Yeah.
that great, you
yeah,
know.
it's just fallen apart.
In fact, you know, one more thing which is going on the internet a lot is when you see these websites that they say they carry plus sizes, so they carry from XXS to 4XL, 4XL, 5XL. But what they usually do is sometimes they change the format of the outfit for plus women.
Yeah.
Like the straps, they thicken them and they make them like completely different. And then that is one thing which is happening a lot, and it's also very difficult for plus size women to find good looking clothes.
Yeah,
They're
they're always
usually
very basic. Like a very basic floral printed dress.
And usually they are meant to hide the body type of
Yeah.
clothes. So that
very
is
limited option.
with this.
And also they're always more expensive. Like if
Yeah,
if
yeah,
so many
yeah.
times, and the justification is that it takes more fabric,
Yeah.
which is a
But then
economically
should
fair.
XS should not be cheaper.
Yeah.
It's usually the same price, right?
No, so for example, if something is like 100 rupees, they'll increase it 150 for very plus size. So
Yeah.
But I don't know. I mean, you maybe just price it overall better instead of making the consumer feel like
Yeah.
bad for overspending, because it's just so stupid. Like that's just basic pricing not done right.
True. So
But yeah.
plus size clothing is an issue for women. Pockets are an issue for women. Sizing in general is an issue for women.
Yeah, sizing
And
is just
don't know much about men's clothing, but women's clothing
And
is
women's
definitely
shopping is
difficult
definitely
to buy.
messed
Yeah.
up. So I think that there are millions of issues plaguing the fashion industry, but I think for us as users, these are the couple of things that we face while we are shopping.
Yeah.
So let us know what you have noticed when you're shopping. What problems do you face?
One thing at last is try to do more thrifting.
Oh, yes.
Get more.
Secondhand shit.
Yeah. Because maybe luckily you'll find great quality clothes for
Yeah.
second hand. She found this one same Forever
Oh my
21 top.
god! So I had this sweater, like a red Forever 21 sweater sort of thing when I was in like school, 7th or 8th standard, and then I gradually just lost it, or I just
Yeah.
worn out or something. And 2-3 years back, I was in Sarojini Nagar and I found the exact same sweater. It was not my sweater. It was just the exact same
Yeah.
model, and it was brand new. So I'm assuming that someone just bought it and just sort of
Didn't
gave
like
it away.
it, yeah.
I can't believe I found it again, and I was just wearing it like 2-3 days back, and I
Yeah.
can't believe I found the exact same sweater again.
Mhm.
It's insane. Like, and it was a like 15-year-old
Yeah,
design,
yeah,
and I
yeah.
can't believe I found it. That was insane. That was one of the most craziest things that
Yeah,
have ever
thrifting
happened.
can be a surprise sometimes.
And
you can
so many
find
great
good
items
quality,
have found
yeah.
like thrifting. So
And
thrifting is
it won't
definitely.
hurt your soul also to buy a cloth.
Yeah, I mean,
you know.
even if you buy something for 100 rupees, you wear it like 5 times, and it's
It's
okay.
okay.
Yeah, it's okay if you want
Yeah.
to throw it away then.
you
because,
can buy
you know,
cheaper, trendy
and it's
clothes.
better for your
maybe.
wallet. That's
Yeah.
the biggest advantage, and better for the planet, obviously. But think about the money that you are going to save.
Yeah.
So yeah, save up and thrift and buy.